Hello, I'm Dr. Alan Martinez, implant dentist at Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana, Mexico. If you've lost most or all of your teeth or you're struggling with loose dentures, All-on-4 dental implants may be the solution you've been looking for. This treatment uses just 4 strategically placed dental implants to support a full arch of fixed teeth. That means no slipping dentures, improved chewing, clearer speech, and a smile that looks and feels much more natural. One of the biggest advantages of All-on-4 is that many patients can receive temporary fixed teeth on the same day as their implant surgery. Not everyone qualifies, but for the right candidate, you can leave our office with a confident new smile. Even if you've been told you don't have enough bone for implants, don't give up. Using advanced 3D CT imaging, bone grafting, or other specialized techniques, we can often help patients who were previously told they weren't candidates. At Dr. Mexico Dental Group, every treatment plan is customized to your individual needs. Our goal is to restore your smile, improve your ability to eat comfortably, and give you a long-lasting solution that can improve your quality of life for many years. If you're considering All-on-4 dental implants, we'd be happy to review your CT scan or X-rays and help you understand all of your options. We look forward to helping you smile again.